18,000 cows die in Texas dairy farm explosion, and this is believed to be the largest explosion on American record. 18,000 cows die in Texas dairy farm explosion. The exact figure for cattle killed in the fire and smoke is unknown. That the sheriff's office told the BBC that approximately 18,000 head of cattle were lost. The owner said that the price of a cow is $2,000 per cow. This is a great loss to the owner. Speaking to local news outlet KFDA, Sheriff Saul Rivera said most of the cattle were lost after the fire spread to an area where cows were taken to milking grounds. Between 2018 and 2021, nearly 3 million farm animals died in fires, with 1.76 million chickens killed in the 6 largest fires during that period. We hope the industry will focus on this issue and strongly encourage farms to adopt common-sense fire safety measures, said Eli Granger. Policy Associate of AWI's Farm Animal Program. It's hard to imagine anything worse than being burned alive.